Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x. I'm Antriksh, and you guys are welcome here. And I have some good, great, fantastic AI tools, AI technologies, you could say, from Adobe. Absolutely game changing over and over and over and over again for video editors, content creators, just editors in general, photo editors, video editors. It's absolutely going to change the game. One click, one tool, one thing, boom, and it's done. I'm straight away going to jump into it, and I'm going to show you guys what I am talking about.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
So this is Project Fast Fill. Now, what is this? How do you use it? It is going to be rolled out soon in your Adobe, all the Adobe apps and wherever it's used, and all of you guys can use it very easily. Now, of course, I've kept the audio off, and this is Adobe's site wherein you can find. So the three things that I'm going to discuss, three absolutely game-changing technologies by Adobe are Adobe Fast Fill, Adobe Scene Change, and Adobe Project Stardust. I'm going to talk about that, but just see this. So this is basically a video, right, with a lady in the foreground, and then there's a background, and there are 2, 3, 4 people right there, and they are this could be objects, this could be anything. All you need to do is, as we did in videos, you just need to surround them, and boom, you need to select the option of just deleting them, and it's taking some time. And look at this, just wait for it, and boom, they're gone. Now what it does is it gives you this option, it gives you this option, the two right here, in the boxes, it gives you those options. You can as you can see in the video, you can keep changing whatever you have there. It's just mind-blowing, the four options that it's given in terms of generative fill. It can do that, just one click. You just need to select that, and boom, it's done. Your work is just done. If you click fast fill there, and there you go, as you can see, right, if you unselect all of the things that you had deleted, they're going to come back. They are going to come back very easily, and they will show. See, people clapping because people are just mesmerized by the changes that Adobe is just bringing in so very easily. You just need to click once or twice, and you have your desired results. Now look at this. Just wait for this. I'm trying to show you guys this. When he does it, right, the seamless transition that it goes through, and see, they're back, they're gone, and they're back, they're gone, and then they're back, they're gone, and then they're back. In just one click you can do that. It's just amazing. You know what, I'm going to jump on to the second one, but before I go there, I have an announcement for you guys. Just check the link down below. Yup, click the link down below, sign up for the 2 hours 3 hours AI tools workshop for just 9 rupees. It's from Be10x. It's absolutely going to change the game for you. We here at Be10x believe that AI itself won't replace you, but a person using AI certainly will, and certainly is doing. After COVID and all the uncertainty regarding what's going to happen to future jobs, we want to secure your future, and we want your future secured with us. And I'm sure that's going to be the case when you learn all the tools, all the best things about ChatGPT, and you're going to be a master of it in just 3-ish hours for only 9 rupees, which is the best damn thing. So click the link down below, sign up for the workshop, only 9 rupees, 2-3 hours, and boom, lights set. Let's move on to the second one, which is Project Scene Change. Now, as it can, probably you can guess with Scene Change, what is that? Now, you just need to have a photo or anything, and boom, without a green screen or anything, you can just completely change the whole picture, change the whole video. It's just mind-blowing how it can happen. So this is the video of this guy, the speaker himself, roaming around in maybe it's Adobe's office or something. He's here, and now just wait for it. He has made out a grained image, which you obviously can do, right? He has this image, a background of whatever he wants and stuff, and it's in a different dimension. It's a different camera angle. It's slightly a bit tall on the taller side, right? But he is still managing to do that. So now it will actually go from that background to this. See this video. Can you really believe it? Like, this is not, like, this guy is not walking on the same background. This is not real, and this is edited. You just can't. Like, it doesn't even look fab, and it's even a different camera angle. Now I know I'm fanboying here a bit, but come on, guys. Like, just look at this. The things that Adobe pulls off here is just absolutely stunning. Just take a look. Just you know what, if I could just this is the real video, this is the camera angle, right? If you can see the perspective, this is the camera angle. Now in this background video or whatever they're running, it's not even the same camera angle. It's at a much higher sort of space, and it's still delivering the content as if the camera was being recorded and half the body's coming. It understands body proportion, body camera proportion, and everything, and it's just amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. I'm gonna take you guys' sort of notice, right, to this next thing, which is Project Stardust. Now, one feature of it sort of seems similar to fast fill, but it's a bit different. I'll tell you how. And one of the best features is you can select anything in the whole photo, in the whole video, as one element, and then you can move it around as per your pace. You can just do that. Just take a look. There are two people. There's maybe, I don't know, a couple holding hands and stuff, and they're just going to select them, right? I'm just going to move it forward. Wait. Oh, it's actually the part wherein it's already done. Wait. Yeah, there you go. This was the part, right? Right. So as you can see, they're just going to select the couple in a while, right? They're done that. There you go. And boom, they're just moving them. They are moving them around with ease. Look at this. It's just so amazing as to how it happens. And yeah, there you go. Of course, Talia expected. Talia expected nonetheless. So that is this. And one feature, as I was saying, that can be related to the first one, which was fast fill, is actually the ability to remove people. Now here, there you actually needed to select and stuff. Here you can do that as well. But the AI, the whole AI part which is included, the AI which is added here is that it can automatic. So they just click and then they recognize them as a person, and boom, with one click they're gone. Boom. You just click on it, they select the whole image, the whole figure, boom, they're gone. Here also they can just, imagine if it's a crowd, now it's going to take so much more time to keep selecting everyone and then keep deleting. AI just recognizes, right? All right, these are the distractors. Boom, see, they've just said remove distractors, and it's recognized, and boom, they're just going to remove it, and boom, it's done. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. They're going to show here as well. Now more and more of it that they can just add. They've just selected an area, and there they're going to add whatever could look good. It's Adobe's suggestions. It's not even that you have to generate something or something like that. Boom, and it just looks as natural as it could. Wow, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It changes the game. It absolutely changed the game. I'm just going to stop fanboying right here now, right? So these were the three things. It's going to be available soon. It might be available for some as well. So it's good times for editors. It's good time for all the people, AI enthusiasts. Hope everyone liked this video. Don't forget to check the link down below and sign up for the 2-3 hour workshop for only 9 rupees. Yup. And just learn ChatGPT to the fullest and to the best of everyone's abilities. Till the time I come back together again, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit.